My name is Vasu from Mechanical A section. Today, we discuss about the topic of infinity. Infinity. How our mindset, our mindset, how our mindset controls our growth and success. Because everyone thinks they are not capable for this because because the fear and something their past experiences. Because if we think small, uh, our goals are also small. If you expand our thoughts, then we face all infinity and it is a limitless. We can get opportunities and achieve a bigger challenges and goals in our lives.
I agree with that. In this presentation also, happening yesterday, I just said that the infinity as there is no limit unless, and it is not a final destination or measurement also. Like there are infinity means there is no limit, and counterness sums also. And it comes under max presentation, max perpetual or there is no limits and no limits and different sizes and the countless limits. And in the physical perspective, the universe, because universe let us take example, space is infinity, and quantum mechanics also comes in there.
Yeah, I agree with your point. Infinity is all about describes about space or time, which is endless, which is endless. And if you keep counting or measuring, it cannot be measured at the end of infinity. Okay, a real life example is you you always chance
A
have
small suggestion, there is no need to mention real time example. Directly go to the point. Okay?
you have the chance to learn something every day. Okay, there is no lagging or in learning.
Yeah, I am all agree with the points. Infinity is limitless and countless. So infinity you face you in real life connection. You face face challenges to tough and real tasks. Infinity is the uncountable and unlimitable. So infinity to useful of things. If you work is hard, infinity is also good perfection in our mind forever.
Yeah, our final conclusion is, yeah, if you think small, your goals are also small. If you think big, you can achieve big goals. So this is it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Next team. Stand there. You can start. Start, Nana.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Mechanical A section. Now our topic is infinity. Infinity means it is a endless and uncountable. It is
Can
not
I ask you a question? Why is the topic infinity? From where you got the topic?
Uh, in this video, Hakim explores that infinity in a three manners:
Yes.
mathematics, physics, and human choice. So the main
If you want to look natural, you directly go to the first topic. Introduce the topic first. Why do you want to talk about infinity? Like you have seen it from a video, right? That line you can mention. From the video, the word infinity grabbed my attention. Like that, you can start, right?
uh, in this video, Hakim explores that infinity in a three terms: in a mathematics, in a physics, and human choice. In the perception of a max at infinity, at a certain at set of whole numbers 1 to 3, there is a no limit. In the between 1 and 2, there are infinity numbers to be countable. At the diversity of a mathematical subtraction, uh, at the sum of the 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 at infinity, the final result is to be considered as a minus 1. In the perception of the max, in the Hakim divided into two parts, micro and macro. In the micro, there are to see a billion of light rays in a small, and the macro is to be seen a light rays at a infinity at a clear visible mass.
To continue the conversation, you can ask them about their opinion.
I agree with your
Ask,
points.
no, let them ask us. Are you done with your perception? What do you say? You can ask me.
I want to know this video according to your perception.
I agree with your point. In this video, the person will say about infinity. The infinity is no limit and no ends. The infinity in math, in studies, infinity is in mathematics, countable, and there is, for example, as the number of real numbers is greater than the number of whole numbers. In philosophy, the time is no. For examples of infinities, less time and uncountable.
I agree with your points, but in my perception, infinity is not a big number, but it does not have boundaries. So infinity, we think it is big number. If it has boundaries, it is a finite number. Like it, humans also having infinity choices. If we minus a number or a choice from it, it again a big number, but not a small. So
I agree with your point. Infinity is not only a number, it is a topic. It is used in all the way. In our life also we can use like infinity. Time is infinity. The time is going on. It is endless. As well as our thoughts and uh, our mind is also infinity. They travel so much long, and we can thought about uh, so many points.
Thank you.
Next team. Here on live, what are you people doing?
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here because I want to tell my perception on that video. Infinity means there is no limit or endless point. Infinity teaches
Yes,
us.
the title of the video is Infinity.
Thinking out of
Thinking out of it. Then why are you talking about infinity? All of you.
the main concept is
Infinity.
Right. Uh, Directly going to the topic, like today I want to talk about infinity. Is that natural?
On
All
that,
right. You want to share your perception. That is good, Nana. But you're directly going into the topic. It is not at all natural. Like in the video, one word infinity grabbed my attention. You can say that phrase. Remember,
in that video, infinity word grab my attention. So I want to tell about infinity. Infinity means there is no endpoint. Infinity teaches us uh, more. Uh, so what are we?
Yes, I agree with your point, Karthik. Infinity means which does not have any end. For example, in mathematics, we can say that we can count every single number forever, but we cannot get to an end. So And I think infinity also impacts a lot in our life. For example, we can learn infinity things and we can get infinite knowledge and there is no end to it. So I want to know about your perspective.
My perception about that video, infinity means, for example, dreams, love, knowledge, they're all infinity. They have no boundaries. Infinity. Infinity have no end. For example, mathematics, numbers are countable. Add one number, they have no infinity. Tell about you.
In my perception, infinity is something that has no end limit. It is used in mathematics.
Uh, Yes, I agree with your point. Infinity has uh, no end. For example, universe is so vast. Uh, it is very important in mathematical and our daily life. So,
And I want to conclude it by saying that infinity is boundless and it also impacts a lot in our mathematics, science, and our daily life. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are here to discuss about a topic which is shown in the video. From this video, we have mainly highlighted the topic about infinity. So we would like to discuss about infinity. Infinity is a term which is used for the which is no limit and no end. It is used in many areas like maths, philosophy, and science. In maths, the integers are infinite from 1 to somewhere. So, this term is used mainly in mathematics. And also in our daily life, we have infinite choices to live, like many types of jobs are available. What's your perception?
Okay, Charan, in my perception, infinity is a concept that describes about something without any limit or end. Infinity is a specific number uh, that is not a that is mainly used in mathematics to represent quantities, and infinity mainly appears like space between and time, and infinity mainly helps to understand behind the goals and time we have to adjust. And what's your perception about?
In my perception, this is all about how the universe is. It's all about the wonders of the universe and the space. And it is tells that how vast is our universe and study and our scientists are expert to find more knowledge on this space, and it is all about curiosity and interesting facts on that space, and it is not on the formulas. Based upon the formulas, science is not just a formulas, and to find more unknown facts, and it says unknown facts, and we learn more things.
Yes, I agree with your point. Infinity is a there is no size and destination. It's like a mother's love. There is no end. It's a continuous love towards the children's. Finally, I conclude that infinity is used in our entire life. So we have many options and many goals. We should work hard for them. Thank you.
This is the last thing.